Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So we are looking into series of Htaccess files. So today we will see enable and disable PHP error logging using Htaccess file. So let's get started with today's video. So that is my index file. So let's add some PHP variable to it that is not assigned. So we are creating error first. So write echo, let's say test. Save this and now let's check in browser. So now you can see warning is there, undefined variable test. So you can control if you want to display errors or not using htaccess. So let's say in production you don't want to display errors to users, so you can use PHP flag and write display errors as off. So let's check in browser, refresh. You can see there is no error now being displayed, and if I'll turn it back into on and now check in browser, so now you can see it's again visible now. So now second, let's see logging of errors. So write PHP flag log errors as on, that we want to log errors. So after that write PHP value that we want to store that in a file. So after that write PHP value if error log is there, then after that file name with complete path. So here my file name will be, file path will be var www html htaccess, and after that define your file name. So here I'm writing php error.log. Now let's go and refresh. So now if I'll come back to my project, so you can see file is created and it's having warning here. So let me remove and again refresh. Now refresh, and if I'll open this, so now you can see PHP warning is there. So it's logging now warnings and errors in this file. So now let's see which all PHP flags we can use in htaccess file. So here I have provided a list. You can see PHP flag and PHP value also. So syntax will be first PHP flag, and then you can write session, then transaction ID, like it will be different. We have used display errors. So here you can use whichever bold I have done, let's say session dot only cookies, register globals, magic codes underscore gpc. So you can use all those PHP flags, so whichever is required according to your needs. And similar PHP value, and in PHP value you can use magic codes runtime, post max size of your request, then upload of max size, like which how much maximum file size that one can upload, then maximum execution time, all those things you can set using PHP value. So that's all in this video. I've created a very short and like should be informative to you. So I have given one example and a list of PHP values. So I hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then you can comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.